Hello, my name is Claire Turner. I'm an EFT coach, and I have very recently joined Clients on Automation by Ed JC Smith. And I joined probably about a week and a half ago, coming up to 2 weeks ago. And I'm working my way through, and I think one of the biggest breakthroughs that I have had is clarity on who I want to serve and how I want to serve them. So EFT, if you know of it, is emotional freedom technique. It's often referred to as tapping, and it's one of those wonderful techniques that just helps with everything. And so I spent a lot of my time knowing that I should be niching, but because I know it helps with everything and helps all sorts of people, I really struggled to pick a niche and stick to it. And I think the biggest thing I've got so far from Ed is focus on one thing. That's it, one thing. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a bit of a struggle. I have wanted to bounce, but Ed's voice just keeps coming back to me, and I think that for where I am right now, that is exactly what I needed to hear. So I just want to give a massive thank you for that. And if you are looking at clients and automation and you're still like, oh, I don't know whether I should, whether I shouldn't, I would say do it. Absolutely do it. If just for the clarity of something, one thing to focus on, it's just, I cannot express just how huge that is. So thanks ever so much, guys.